Hey guys, Bodhi here from Maker Studios bringing you another video. I am totally being illegal right now. I have my phone in my hands while I'm driving. But we are coming up on Family Kingdom. I just saw a new ride. They added a Larson Super Loop. Interesting. So I bet they're going to market that as they're getting 2 new roller coasters this year. You never know. But yeah, that looks like that's where the Galleon used to be. The Galleon pirate ship. I see Flipside over there. I will take some video when we get closer up. I do think that ride fits pretty well there. I'm not gonna lie. It looks nice. They were also supposed to get the first shipment or two. And then they have like octopus ride. Shipment or two of the coaster, like the real coaster, the RMC. I'm not 100% sure if that happened this week or not, because I still don't see anything over here. I guess I'll have to go out there and look. All right, guys, so something that's a little interesting to me is they actually do have the log flume set up. Like there's actually logs in there. I'm not sure if there's water in the trough, because I honestly expect, or maybe not, because there is water in the trough. I expected this ride to be SB&O for basically until the Raptor opens. But if there is water in there and the logs are up there, I mean, they must be wanting to open this ride for the season. It's just because the Raptor is right there for the construction site. Look at all the pollen, oh my gosh. But yeah, the Raptor is right there. So, I don't know. We'll see how that goes during construction. Yeah, here it is. The log flume in all its glory. It's not going away, it's staying. Here are 2 RMC Raptor supports. I did find that out at Media Day. So, whoever said they are, you are correct. Whoever said they're definitely not, you are incorrect. Those are RMC Raptor supports. And that will be the color scheme. But it looks like they did not get the shipment of the Raptor that we thought they were going to get. I see Colossus up there. That ride is going to be insane. I do have a date set up before the park opens for the season to take a tour around and hopefully ride all of the new rides before the other people get to. So that will be really awesome, and I can't wait for that. That'll be within the next week or two. Yeah. There's Inferno, the new Larson loop. Looks pretty nice. And then they have in Planet Coaster what they call the Rocktopus. It's just kind of an octopus kind of ride. It'll be a cool family ride for sure. Where the yo-yo used to be and where the Techno Jump was. Because that ride was put up for sale. So, seems like the brand new rides for the season are it says 4 new rides. So we have the Colossus, the octopus thing, and the Larson Loop. Now there is supposed to be one more that's supposed to be like a helicopter chop ride, and these rides are supposed to open in about 2 weeks. About a little less than that, but about 2 weeks. So I'd expect the Crazy Chopper, I think it's called the Crazy Choppers, to be here soon. If they're not already, I very well might just not see them. They might be way over there, but we will see. Something worth noting is the Twist and Shout trains are back on the track. I see some kind of new ride over here. It low-key doesn't look like those choppers though. It might be though. You never know. Okay, so there's the chopper ride. What is this? Oh, that looks like cliffhanger kind of ride. But yeah, there's that chopper ride that I was talking about. Here is a brand new look at the completely retracked Swamp Fox see some of the seats in there, but I don't see a train. Okay, I do see a train. There is the red train up there. The blue train is most likely being taken apart for maintenance. The park did say that they will hopefully at some point, not this year, but in the next coming years, will be running 2 trains on this. It has something to do with the brake mechanism that they can't do it. So that is the reason why they're not running 2 trains. Here is a good looking Inferno. So here is the flip side back, and here is the brand new for 2026 Inferno ride at Family Kingdom. Now this thing will most likely be loud. Larson Super Loops typically are. So if this is a Super Loop, like, does this technically mean that Family Kingdom is getting 2 new RMC coasters in the same year? Because you're getting a Raptor, and Larson and RMC are like connected. So is that what that means? Yeah, this thing looks basically ready to run. Alright guys, so since I have a pretty good connection with the new owners, I don't believe that they will mind if I go look at these new rides a little more up close. I'm not going to get like too up close. I just want to get a good angle of whatever these are over here. And yeah, I'm just going to go along this pathway up here. Here is the returning Air Max / Lunatic back. I do wonder if something is going to go in that spot. It's kind of a big open spot. Probably like a food truck or something. Those don't seem to be here yet. Those usually go right there though. But yeah, there is Colossus. There is the Kraken over there. That is what that's called. Got some ducks. Yeah, it is the Kraken. And then, of course, Colossus. Looking great. I don't know. I guess I will just have to see what I think. They're actually moving a huge truck of stuff right now. I'm wondering what that is. They finished their little mural of the sea turtle. It looks absolutely amazing. Yeah, let's keep walking down here. I do see something over here. Is this just the, wonder if they repainted the, I believe it's called, no, it's not Skyhawk. I don't know what it's called. That thing though, like the flying thing. I'm not sure. I don't remember it being that color. Looks like they're putting up new rails for the train. Slingshot is back. Swamp Fox coaster over there. Missed that thing so much. I'm ready. I'm very ready to get back on it. They have the Balloon Fiesta back. That has been here ever since the new owners took over. Like, that has been a ride that has been here every time. Which is pretty cool. Some big thing is right there. I'm wondering if that was dropping off the Rock and Tug. No cars on this yet. Now here is where the old kiddie coaster used to be. What is this? Like, genuinely, it looks like some kind of flying ride, but I just don't know what. If I just look at it from a better angle. Like, I feel like I've seen this before, but I don't know what it is. Is this Skyhawk? It might be. I really don't know. But mysterious flying ride over here. not sure at all, really. And I don't know why they would have 2 flying rides. So something's probably going on there. And then here is the Crazy Chopper, which is a family ride. Right next to the about to turn 100 carousel, which is an absolutely amazing accomplishment. I'm so happy that Family Kingdom has kept this around. And the Swamp Fox. I really love that they are adding all of these new rides, giving us new things each year, but also keeping around the classics to make sure Family Kingdom still has its heart. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know which ride you guys are most excited for in the comment section. Of course, mine is Colossus because, well, it's the big new ride for 2026. I'm so excited to get new footage of all these rides and to ride them. A link to my merch store will be in the description below. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.